Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Nubia Flip 5G. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on this avatar and now go to settings. Now you have to click on Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now you have to click here to enable Hey Google, then click more and I agree, click more and I agree again, and then click next. Now click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next. Now you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.